Well, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think that I'm gonna like this keyboard, but I actually do like it a lot. I like how you can see all the RGBs on the bottom and even on the back, but well, back when it stays on the table, you're not gonna see the back, but it's still pretty cool how they managed to build it. You can choose different colors on it. We're gonna jump into that in a bit, but the quality of it, it's actually pretty good. For like 50 euros, the quality is very good. It has red switches, which are silenced switches. We're gonna compare it in a second with real MX Cherry switches, because these are not real MX Cherry switches, but they still sound pretty good. It's all how the case around it is built, and this one, it's pretty sturdy. But these RGBs, they just look awesome. Maybe now, because of the lighting, you don't really see it, but we're gonna jump in a bit into some comparison and you're gonna see it better. So this keyboard right here is the Corsair K65, which has real MX Cherry reds, and this one has some fork, some Chinese red switches, which we're gonna do a test here in a bit, but I really like I've said, I really like how this one it's built, and look how more colorful compared to Corsair. I just really like it, and in the white color it just looks awesome. But let's do now fast a testing type so you can see the difference between them and hear it, of course. One thing to notice though, the original MX Cherries, they are a little louder, but the spacebar, it sounds a little weird, a little cheap for me. It doesn't sound really that good, the spacebar. All the rest, it sounds great. But this one, actually, I like the sound of the spacebar. It sounds like it's sturdy. You see, all the other buttons sound kind of the same, but the spacebar, it's definitely a big difference on it. And of course, it's even smaller than the Corsair K65, which when I bought this keyboard, I was thinking that this keyboard is small, but when looking at it, it's even smaller than the other one, because of course you don't have here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. We're gonna do at the end some testing on it, but for now, let's go into the different RGB modes. I bet now the camera can't even see the Corsair one. Let me actually show you that the Corsair one, it's actually at 100% brightness. So if I press here the button, then it disables it, like 1, 2, 3, and this is the maximum one. And if I press again, then it disables it. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the maximum 100% brightness. And here is also 100% brightness, because if I press FN and then control button, which control button has the shortcut for lights, then, oh, it wasn't even 100%, my bad. So if you press FN button and here insert or delete, insert is to increase and delete is to decrease the brightness, then you can see now it's fully disabled. Again, 1, 2, 3. If I press 4, then it doesn't have more. So this is 100% brightness. I'm pretty sure you barely can see on the camera the Corsair one. I really like this one, because when you play during nights and all your lights are switched off, then this would be actually pretty damn good. Now let's switch between the modes. You press FN button and control button. So you have these different colors. Now I have this rainbow mode, which is actually also cool. Oh, the rainbow mode goes backwards as well. That's cool. So it changes colors, or it stays always purple. Well, I'm kind of confused about this one, but I really like it actually, because on the sides you see it changes colors, but on the middle, on the buttons, it stays this purplish mode, which I really like it. I really like it. So this one, I guess you're gonna type, no? Okay, so there is also a mode exactly like this one, which the RGBs on the side, they are like this, and then when you press on the buttons, then it lights up the buttons. But this one, the buttons are just turned off. Well, there's an option for that as well. Well, so this one, it's a static color, but you see the RGBs on the side, they still change colors, which I think it's actually cool, a cool idea. A rainbow mode, yeah, this is kind of a rainbow mode. Fully red. This is like some white. Oh no, it changes to blue. Okay, so this is gonna change all the colors. But now it's green, so, but you see the transition, it's so smooth, I can't even concentrate on what's the color. Now it was yellow, now it was orange, now it's red, purple. Whoa, I can't even say what color it is. It's really cool. And the keycaps on white, it's even better. So this is a breathing mode, I guess. Yeah, this is a breathing mode. I don't really like this breathing mode. Also cool. I want to, so it's a rainbow from top to bottom. My favorite one is like on the cursor one, which slides from left to right. So I guess this is the mode. Yeah, all disabled, but on the sides, all enabled. And when you press a button, then you have this cool rainbow, which I really like it. This might be one of my favorite modes. It's just so cool, so cool. Okay, so I guess this is when you type. Yeah, only the buttons that you type are gonna light up, which is also fine, because with these RGB lights on the sides, I guess you're not gonna have problems during nights to see the other buttons, which with normal keyboards, when you disable the lights, then on the darkness you can't see anything. Oh, so this is also a cool rainbow effect. There are so many different styles, and this one, all the buttons are a different color, which is also pretty cool. A raining mode. Raining modes are always very cool to watch on all the keyboards. I'm really enjoying it. Changing from top to bottom, it's really hard to understand what the color does, but it changes from top to bottom, I think. Also pretty cool, but not a mode that I would use. This is actually very cool. This is cool. I like this one. It's like a warm, yeah, it's like a rainbow. Yeah, it's definitely it's a weird mode, but I really like it. And yeah, we started from 0 again, because we were in this mode, this purplish or white mode, however you want to call it. It's really hard to understand which color it is because of the RGBs on the sides. I think I said it so many times, but I'm really enjoying this keyboard. Now let's do some typing test.